Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Laura. Today we will continue exploring Canva, and to be more specific, let's check out Canva Documents. This is the place where you can create different kind of documents like weekly planners, portfolios, strategic documents, and much more. We can find Canva Docs in our homepage banner over here, and let's start writing. So over here we can start from scratch, but we can also check out Canva provided templates over here. Let's check out all templates. Like I mentioned before, you can create different kind of documents really. And for this tutorial, let's take this study plan. If you want to use Canva provided templates but design them using your own style, we can change this image over here by clicking on Edit Design. Let's edit this image. And I want to change this image to something more related to holidays. And after that, I will also change this text to holiday plan. In this template, we already have a table, but similar to Word and Excel documents, Canva also offers to add charts, graphics, photos, and videos to your documents. If it's necessary, we can also create checklists, like in this example over here. If you need to take off some items, cool thing is to use checklists. If we don't need checklists, we can also change them to bullet points or change them back. Shortcuts we can find under the slash button or simply clicking on this plus sign and search for the specific item. Introducing you with Magic Write function. This solution will help you out to create new ideas. For example, if I write down things to do on a trip, it will come up with 10 suggestions. The more specific you are, the more specific result you will get out of Magic Write. We can create this holiday plan as we want. We can just delete table. If we want, we can create charts with specific details. Also, we can play around with the style, with colors. Two more things we can do with our document. We can share it with others by sending the link, or we can download it. And also we can convert this document to presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.